Hey travel fans, welcome to this incredible journey through Peru. Welcome to Peru, a country bursting with colorful culture, where every street corner tells a story and every festival is a vibrant celebration of life. Imagine a land where ancient stories are etched into the very mountains and valleys, creating landscapes that will take your breath away. Picture yourself exploring the old Inca cities, where history comes alive with every step you take. Hiking through forests in the clouds, surrounded by the mystical mist and the sounds of nature, is an experience like no other. And then, there's the food. Tasting the unique flavors of Peruvian cuisine is a journey in itself, from the bustling street markets to the high-end restaurants. Peru is a place that stays with you long after you've left. Its beauty, its culture, its people, they all leave an indelible mark on your heart. It's where adventure meets history and culture, creating memories you'll never forget. From ancient ruins to vibrant festivals, every moment in Peru is a story waiting to be told. Ready for an amazing journey? Let's go. Pack your bags and prepare to be amazed by the wonders of Peru. Peru has so many different places to see, from the iconic spots that everyone knows to the hidden gems that only the locals can show you. You can explore the dry deserts near the coast, where the sands stretch out as far as the eye can see, creating a stark yet beautiful landscape. Climb the towering Andes Mountains, where the air is thin and the views are nothing short of spectacular. Each peak offers a new perspective on this incredible country. And don't forget the Amazon rainforest. Visiting the heart of the Amazon is like stepping into another world, teeming with life and mystery. Each region of Peru has its own special landscapes, animals, and cultural experiences. From the coastal deserts to the high Andes and the lush Amazon, there's so much to discover. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or a taste of a new culture, Peru has something for everyone. You can go on thrilling adventures or find peaceful retreats in nature. Peru has something for everyone. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in the local culture, meet new people, and create unforgettable memories. Get ready to be amazed. Peru is waiting for you with open arms, ready to share its ancient wonders and vibrant culture. So what are you waiting for? Let's explore Peru together. Peru's weather changes a lot depending on where you go. This country, with its diverse geography, offers a wide range of climates and experiences. From the arid coastal deserts to the lush Amazon rainforest and the towering Andes Mountains, each region has its own unique weather patterns. So, picking the right time to visit is important. Whether you're an adventurer looking to hike the famous Inca Trail, a history buff eager to explore ancient ruins, or a nature lover wanting to immerse yourself in the Amazon, timing your trip can make all the difference. The dry season, from May to September, is the most popular time to go. During these months, the weather is generally sunny and dry, making it ideal for outdoor activities. The clear skies provide perfect conditions for sightseeing and photography. The skies are clear, perfect for checking out Machu Picchu and hiking the Inca Trail. This is the time when the iconic ruins are at their most photogenic, with the sun casting dramatic shadows over the ancient stones. But be ready for more crowds and higher prices. The popularity of this season means that tourist hotspots can get quite busy, and accommodation and tour prices are at their peak. It's wise to book well in advance to secure your spot. For a quieter and cheaper trip, think about visiting in April or October. These shoulder months offer a great balance of good weather and fewer tourists. The landscapes are still beautiful, and you can enjoy a more relaxed pace. You'll find nice weather with fewer crowds, lower prices, and a more peaceful atmosphere. This is an excellent time for those who prefer a more intimate experience with nature and culture. Just be prepared for a little rain now and then. While the weather is generally pleasant, occasional showers can occur, so it's a good idea to pack a light rain jacket or umbrella. The wet season, from November to March, brings lots of rain, especially in the Andes Mountains and the Amazon rainforest. This period sees the heaviest rainfall, transforming the landscapes into lush green paradises. While this isn't the best time for hiking, it's a great time to see the Amazon in its full glory, with lush green trees and plants. The rainforest comes alive with vibrant flora and fauna, offering a unique and immersive experience. Plus, you'll find fewer tourists and lower prices. The off-season means that popular attractions are less crowded, allowing for a more serene and personal exploration of Peru's natural and cultural wonders. Getting around Peru is an adventure in itself. Luckily, the country has lots of transportation options for every budget. For long distances, hop on one of Peru's comfy and affordable luxury buses. These buses have reclining seats, entertainment, and even meals. It's a great way to relax and enjoy the changing scenery. For faster travel, especially between big cities, think about taking a short flight. Peru has several domestic airlines that offer affordable fares. Flying saves time and lets you see more of this diverse country. Within cities and towns, taxis and local buses are easy to find and inexpensive. For a more exciting experience, try a mototaxi, a motorcycle taxi that zips through traffic. Just make sure to agree on a price before you go. Peru is full of amazing places that will leave you speechless. From the towering peaks of the Andes to the lush, dense Amazon rainforest, this country offers a diverse range of experiences that cater to every type of traveler. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a history buff, or someone looking to immerse yourself in rich cultures, Peru has something for you. Start your journey in Cusco, the old capital of the Inca Empire. This city is a fascinating blend of ancient Inca and Spanish colonial architecture, offering a unique glimpse into Peru's storied past. Wander through its narrow cobblestone streets, visit the bustling markets, and take in the vibrant atmosphere that makes Cusco so special. This charming city is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a perfect starting point for exploring nearby Inca ruins. The city's rich history is palpable, with every corner telling a story of its glorious past. Don't miss the chance to visit the impressive Sacsayhuaman Fortress, which offers stunning views over Cusco and is a testament to the engineering prowess of the Inca civilization. You can't go to Peru without seeing the incredible Machu Picchu. This ancient citadel, perched high in the Andes Mountains, is one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. As you stand among the ruins, you'll be transported back in time, imagining what life was like for the Inca people who once called this place home. This ancient Inca city high in the Andes Mountains shows how skilled the Inca people were at building. The precision of the stonework, the complexity of the terraces, and the sheer scale of the site are awe-inspiring. Take your time to explore the various sectors of Machu Picchu, from the agricultural terraces to the religious and residential areas. Hike the Inca Trail, a tough but rewarding trek that ends with an amazing sunrise over Machu Picchu. This 4-day trek is not for the faint-hearted, but the breathtaking scenery and the sense of accomplishment make it all worthwhile. Along the way, you'll pass through diverse landscapes, from cloud forests to alpine tundra, and encounter several other Inca ruins. Near Machu Picchu, the Sacred Valley is home to many Inca ruins, traditional villages, and stunning landscapes. This fertile valley was once the heart of the Inca Empire, and today it remains a vibrant region where you can experience the traditional Andean way of life. Visit the local markets, where you can buy handmade crafts and taste delicious Peruvian cuisine. Visit Ollantaytambo, with its impressive Inca fortress, which served as both a temple and a stronghold. The town itself is a living museum, with its original Inca street grid still intact. Climb the steep terraces of the fortress for a panoramic view of the valley and imagine the battles that took place here during the Spanish conquest. And Pisac, known for its colorful market and hilltop ruins. The market is a feast for the senses, with vibrant textiles, fresh produce, and local artisans showcasing their crafts. After shopping, hike up to the Pisac ruins, which offer a spectacular view of the Sacred Valley and a deeper understanding of Inca agricultural practices. Don't miss the Mara salt mines, where you'll see thousands of salt pans carved into the mountainside. These salt pans have been in use since Inca times and are still harvested by local families today. The sight of the shimmering white salt against the backdrop of the Andean Mountains is truly unique. Lima, the exciting capital city of Peru, mixes colonial architecture, modern art, and delicious food. Explore the historic center, where you can visit grand colonial buildings, beautiful churches, and bustling plazas. Lima is also a gastronomic capital, so be sure to indulge in some of the city's renowned cuisine, from fresh ceviche to hearty lomo saltado. Visit the Larco Museum with its amazing collection of pre-Columbian artifacts, which offers a fascinating insight into the ancient cultures that once thrived in Peru. The museum's extensive collection includes intricate pottery, textiles, and gold and silver jewelry, providing a comprehensive overview of Peru's rich history. And enjoy the city's lively nightlife. Lima comes alive after dark, with a wide range of bars, clubs, and live music venues to choose from. Whether you want to dance the night away or enjoy a quiet drink with friends, Lima's nightlife has something for everyone. For something completely different, head into the Amazon rainforest. This vast and diverse ecosystem is home to an incredible array of wildlife and plant species. As you venture deeper into the jungle, you'll be surrounded by the sounds of nature, from the calls of exotic birds to the rustling of leaves as monkeys swing through the trees. Stay in a jungle lodge where you can experience the Amazon up close and personal. These lodges offer comfortable accommodations and are often run by local communities, providing an authentic and sustainable way to explore the rainforest. Relax in a hammock, listen to the sounds of the jungle, and enjoy the tranquility of this remote paradise. Go on guided hikes to see amazing wildlife, from colorful macaws and toucans to elusive jaguars and playful river dolphins. Knowledgeable guides will lead you through the forest, sharing their expertise on the flora and fauna and helping you spot the incredible creatures that call the Amazon home. And take a boat ride along the Amazon River, the heart of the rainforest. As you glide along the river, you'll have the chance to see the diverse ecosystems that thrive along its banks. Keep an eye out for caimans, giant otters, and the famous pink river dolphins that inhabit these waters. The Amazon is a world of its own, full of life and adventure. Whether you're exploring the forest on foot, by boat, or from the comfort of a lodge, the Amazon offers an unforgettable experience that will leave you with a deep appreciation for this incredible part of the world. Thanks for watching and subscribe to Travel Fans for You.